The one last thing I want to check on behind the gyro before I get back onto the Dio over here is I'm going to pull a flywheel, which has never been done in the 33 years this bike has been since new. To do that, I need to pull the exhaust pipe off, which is 4 bolts. Then I have to remove this rear fender right here. Then I have to remove this wheel. And there's a flywheel cover and a few other parts. And I believe, and this is the tip of the day, that the flywheel itself along its magnets probably has very fine dust because this was driven on a country road. And maybe the stator does too. I'm going to clean that up and put it back together. The bike is running 98% well, but I want to check the stator. Once I do that, then we'll get right back onto the Dio and putting in that giant motor. So I kind of want to keep a record of this because I have not done anything like this before. The gyro is 33 years old. It's from 1985. And I have to be very careful with everything because every part on here is simply 98.5% of the parts are not available. They just aren't. Except for the mounting screws. Okay.